To change the battery in your PlayStation 5 media remote, flip the remote upside down and you will see somewhere over there that push button. If you don't have nail, you can try as hard as you want, but you won't reach to the end of the push button. So you can do like I do, you use the back of a knife and push at the end and then pry just like that to make it open. Then inside you will find two AA battery, so you can remove them. If you need a new battery, you can follow the link in the description and then bring your new battery. You put the positive side on the inside, just like that for both batteries. And when you want to shut that door, you will align this guy with that hole over here. So you start with that side and then you're gonna push on the back of the remote and you're gonna push into that direction. You're gonna hear a clip and you're ready to go. Your remote works just like before if you already synced it.